Hi guys, my high meat is 1 year old now, so I'm gonna eat it all at once, just for you guys. Whatever I have left here. It's the oldest meat I've ever seen. It's gotten pretty dry now, because of how long it's been sitting there. Smells like acidic mushrooms. I'm gonna eat it all at once. There's too much. I can't even get it all in. Oh, very strong. Not bad. Very strong. That really goes in your throat. Big time. Oh, like eating, like eating chili. Fucking hell. Fuck. Oh. It doesn't taste bad, but it's so spicy that you feel it here that it's hard to swallow. Okay. Not okay. That was so overwhelming. I don't recommend putting so much in your mouth. Wait. This is it. Oh. There we go. As I've said before, there's no way to describe the taste, except for mushrooms, acidic, spicy. Rotten food is something completely else. I'm not sure if you should eat this much at once. All right. I can already feel it. It's definitely high meat, if you get what I'm saying. Thanks for watching.